How you guys doing today? My name is Aaron Ramirez. Thank you guys so much for catching today's video. Guys, I cannot be more excited about today's video. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing my first ever pair of designer shoes. But before we get into that, I should introduce myself for those of you guys who are new. My name is Aaron Ramirez. I am a high school student who tries to help out other people my age with fashion, fitness, stuff like that. So if that sounds interesting, then make sure to go ahead and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So like I said, I cannot be more excited because what just came in the mail like 20 minutes ago was this package, and inside this is a pair of shoes that I have wanted since my freshman year of high school. I don't have a knife, I have a screwdriver, so this will just have to do. Oh my god. Here it is. Oh my god. So as you guys know, I love Converse. I love how they look. I love everything about Converse. Well, I don't know too much about this shoe, but I know that Converse partnered up or collabed with a brand. This is its name. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. But they do have a really cool logo. This right here. Converse did a collaboration with this company, and it looks really cool. They're quite old, but I just absolutely love them. I bought them dead stock on Go, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I do so many unboxing videos. I wish I had like a table, but you know what? Who cares? Let's open this up. Whoa. There's supposed to be a Go verification card. Give me a second. There it is. Here it is. This is their quality check. This is how they determine if it's good or not. It's much different from when I ordered a pair about like a year and a half ago, which is like my most viewed video on this channel. Yeah, I bought them from Go app. Like I said, I already made a video about them like a long time ago about buying used shoes, but this time I decided to buy a brand new pair of shoes. Like I said, these are the shoes that I wanted since my freshman year, so I am crazy excited. Okay, we're gonna take them out the box. Whoa. Yeah, that just looks like a... Oh my god. That looks so nice. They're so white. Why did I buy them in white? Like, I love them, and they sell them in black. And now that I'm thinking about it, I should have bought them in black because they are so white. Obviously, this is how any new pair of white shoes come. Look how clean it is, and look how my pair of white shoes are. This lighting is making them look even cleaner, but like they're like super dirty. I mean, just look at that. Like, you can't really see it, but like it's like super dirty. So on the outside, they have the CDG logo, which is just a heart and eyes on them, as well as this one on the outside. Oh my god, these are so nice. Okay, how am I going to show you guys me trying it on? Okay, so we're going to take off these shoes. I think this is the best I could do. Oh, I'm still like crazy new to this. Retail, these go for $135. However, they're the type of shoes to like go out like very fast. And you know, once a shoe goes out of sale, that's when resellers up the price. You know, supply and demand and all that. So instead of, you know, me buying them for retail price at $135, I had to buy them from resale price at $160. And I know a lot of people will call me down for spending $160 on Converse, but they're so cool. And I also spent like more than half of my paycheck on this, so they better get a lot of compliments. When I start editing this and if I see it's out of focus, I'm gonna be super upset. But like I said, I've wanted these shoes since freshman year. Oh my god, they feel so cool. Tell me these aren't like the coolest shoes like ever. It's like, they're so like simple, right? But like, this just makes it so much cooler. Wow. They're so like white and clean. Like, I don't want to like ruin them. I should have bought the black pair. You know what? I don't care, because these are so nice. And you know, I always talk about like minimalism and how you don't need to spend a bunch of money on shoes. But honestly, like I said, I've wanted these since like freshman year. So, you know, I don't really care. Okay? These are like the most expensive shoes that I'm going to buy. Sneaker wise. Okay? Wow. Dude, there's going to be like people in the comments who are just going to say like they're not even that nice. But you know what? I don't care. Because I really like them and I don't regret a thing. But I just want to show you guys like how cool they look on the feet. And you know, why they're so worth half my paycheck, and why I don't care how much money I spent on them. Okay, so these are my new favorite shoes. And what's cool is that I have this Go verification card to just, you know, like if someone says they're fake, Go would say otherwise. So other than that, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Like I said, I was really excited to make this because once they got in the mail, I was just so pumped. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.